doesn't stay on. So let's see what's going on with this. Let's see, turn on the pilot. Make sure it's on the pilot. So it's off. So when it's off, it doesn't turn on pilot. So you have to press this one and then turn it on pilot. Yep. It's on pilot now. Let's see. Turn the pilot on. So you guys need one of these. Turn it on. Let's see. So you have to press it down. Hold it down, the pilot, and then turn it on. It's on. Let's see. We have to hold on the pilot for at least like 30-40 seconds. If we release it, if it doesn't work, so something is wrong with the sensor. So I'm gonna release it. I'm gonna release this. Let's see if the pilot stays on. Nope. See, it turns off. Let's see, something is wrong with the sensor. So I'm gonna open this one. We're gonna unscrew all of these 4 screws, and then we're gonna bring this one out. Yep, to make easy, open this one too. Yep. So guys, it's an easy way to test the pilot if it stays on. So this one is the sensor, the thermal sensor. Let me see. To check it if it works. So let's check it. So we're gonna push down and hold the pilot, and then now the gas is released. We're gonna turn it on. So we're gonna wait for a few seconds. It's easy to check it out. So we're gonna hold it down for 30 to 40 seconds. if it doesn't stays on, so there's some problem with the sensor. So this type of checking is a little risky, so you guys do not do it inside that, because if there's something inside, it's going to be burned, or it's risky. So it's 30 seconds or so I'm gonna release it. This is the same time I'm gonna release, and you can see both. It doesn't stay on, so something is wrong with this. I have to change this one. And also it's not a good in a good shape. You see, there's popped up something. It's a bruise or something. It's not good shape, so we have to change this one. So I bought one already, so I'm gonna change this one. That one. So guys, if someone's heater is not doesn't work, this one, so there is a chance you have to do this, clean it up with a paper sand. So sand it up, clean it up. If it still is not working, so you have to change this one. So if this one doesn't work, so the main burner is not working, because this one should stay on, and then this one command the main burner to release the gas and heat up the water, start working. So we're gonna take this one out first. And then we're gonna open this one. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn off the gas first. So I'm gonna turn off the gas first. Shut off the gas first, and then come down, and then open this one. Take out this part, and take it out. So this one is the one that is not working. It needs to be changed. So we have to open this side. And this one. And this one comes here. Here. We have to open this one. These parts come with it. This one, but I'm gonna put this one. The old one is better quality than this one. guys be gentle with this one, with the copper pipe. Very tiny and fragile copper pipes. But guys, it comes with the two types. It comes the shorter and comes with the longer one. This is right there. Only 1.4 centimeter, 36 inch. But try to buy the longer one in case if it gets short, you know. So I'm gonna put this one first. I think I'm gonna put the old one. And this one locks this one here. It's okay as long as you guys are not covering this part. So this part should be exposed to the pilot flame. Do not do it too tight, just make it tight enough so it's tight enough. I think this part is a little faced this way, so it should be faced that way. I don't know. It's okay as far as the flame hits the sensor, so it's fine. But make sure be gentle with these pipes. It's gonna break down very easily. So now we're gonna put this to this part where it goes inside. Make sure it's tight enough. Yeah, it's tight enough. So I'm gonna check like this. So make sure it's risky for you guys. Do not check it out. Put it in and then check it. So I'm gonna turn on the gas. Yep. And then see if it works. So let me put the pilot. So we're gonna press it, hold it down, and waiting for a few seconds. Hold it down and wait for a few seconds. Let's see if it stays on. I think it's enough. So I'm going to release it. Yep. See? I release it. This one. Good job. Thank you for watching. So I'm gonna put this one up there. Now I'm gonna turn it off. So if you guys check it out like this, make sure first you have to turn it off. See? Turn it off and then put it in. Yep. Make sure this sensor sensor also should be straight down.
Anymore.
Yep. This sensor. Again, please
Stop.
hold down the pilot and then turn it on. Yep, it's on. Please. So we're gonna hold it down for a few seconds. I think it's
This mine. I got it. Yes. Bowling ball. I need this. This is
I'm gonna
mine.
release it. I think
This
this
is
enough.
mine. Okay.
Yep. Release it. That's good. So guys, once the pilot is on, and then we're gonna come back here, and so we're gonna put this one all the way to the on. Right here. Now it's gas fuel is on. So guys, I'm gonna turn on the switch. Let's see if it works now. So lifting the fans and everything is working now. Yep. The burner is on. Wow. That's good. Yeah. God. Yay. Everything is working properly. That's nice. And we're gonna put this one back.